still showing me love, you know. Anyway, I found myself in Temale and I'm doing wagashi at the Fatal Bicycle Restaurant. If you heard of wagashi before, leave a comment in the comment section below. But what is wagashi for those of us who are new to it? Let's jump into this video and learn about what wagashi is, what are the benefits of eating wagashi, and come on. In today's video, I'm going to be doing this episode with one amazing lady. You can see her in the background preparing the wagashi and hello.
Hi.
Hello. What are we going to be preparing today?
It's wagashi. Wagashi.
Hey. Is it wagashi or wagashi?
Wagashi.
Wagashi.
Yeah.
What makes wagashi?
It's cow breast milk
Cow breast milk.
that they used to cook.
So
And do wagashi.
can I see how it looks like before it comes to this stage?
This is the one we cut.
Oh, so this is cow breast milk that I've turned
Yes.
into this.
Yes.
The cow breast milk. Those of you like breast. Cow breast milk. Is this frozen?
Yes.
Did you put it in the ice checks before it became this or?
When they bring it, you put it in fridge.
Okay.
Because we don't want it to become this thing.
Sad.
Okay. So you put it inside the fridge. So the next day, you remove it and cut it into pieces.
Oh.
If not, that it will be sad.
It will be sour.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And how long can this last?
This one.
Yes. Can I touch it?
You can touch it.
If I touch it, nothing will happen to me.
No, it
The
won't.
cow breast milk will not
No,
start.
no.
Okay, so, hey, but it's sticky.
But if you remove it, it will be.
Okay. So-
That's it.
So, but at this stage, can I eat it?
You can eat it. Some of them eat it like this, and some of them want the one we fry.
So, but which one will you prefer? Will you prefer this or?
I prefer the one I fry.
Why?
Eh?
Why won't you prefer what you have in?
But
your
everybody likes his choice.
hand? But give me a reason why you are making your choice.
When you fry it,
Uh-huh.
it's nicely done. The one
So,
it's not yet fried.
if I taste it, nothing will happen to my
No-
stomach.
No.
Guys, I'm about to eat breast milk. Is that cow breast milk?
Yes, please.
This is local cheese,
Yes.
So I'm about to try the local cheese. It doesn't have taste too.
It doesn't have taste.
I'm not getting any taste.
No salt.
Ah,
But we put salt.
why you guys add salt to it?
Yes.
Oh, I see.
We'll add salt inside the water
Uh-huh.
before cutting it and put it inside the water for some minutes so that the salt will come.
If I want to eat the whole thing,
You eat. But you say it's not tasty.
there's no taste. So I don't know what I'm eating. It's just like I'm chewing something, but I'm not getting the taste. Yeah.
So you didn't even.
I mean, you can try it and see. So that if
You
I,
know, but it's better than like this. It's nice.
the thing is, if I think that I would die soon because I've eaten it. So you need to eat some. Oh, you see?
You used to eat some.
No, me I'm eating, so you need to eat some. Hey, you see? Oh, she just swallowed the whole thing like that. So me too, I can.
You can eat.
Hey.
The salt is inside. It's nice.
I mean, it's nice, but like.
The taste is nice.
Okay, you know what? What I'll do is I'm going to fry some, and then I'll compare the taste of the fried one to this is raw, right?
Yeah.
To the raw one. So let's go and fry. How long does it take? Do you know how they process the whole wagashi into this before you fry it?
Yeah, the wagashi is the cow breast milk
Okay.
that they used to cook
Right.
and add some leaves. They call it walampo in Dagbani.
Walapo.
Walampo.
Okay.
Yeah, they will use that walampo and mix the breast milk and put it for some days.
Okay.
Either 2 or 3 days.
Right.
Before it will turn to wagashi.
Okay. So that means that when they put it down, it ferments.
Yes.
And then after the fermentation process,
Yeah.
do they boil it before?
Yeah, they will boil it.
So they boil it.
Yes.
And then, so the milk is fermented.
Alright.
And then boil. After the boiling, there is herbs that they add. What's the name of the herb again?
Walampo.
Walampo.
Yes.
Walampo. So they add a walampo to it. I'm yet to find the English name of walampo, but in case you know the English name of walampo, which is the local herb that they use to, they add to the wagashi. At that point, do you call it wagashi? When the milk is fermented, do you call it wagashi?
Yeah, when we add the walampo,
yeah,
then it has turned to wagashi.
Ah, so once you add the walampo,
yes,
walampo,
yeah.
Oh, say that thing, say
walampo,
hey, walampo or walampo,
yes.
Yeah, I think I wasn't pronouncing it well. So you add the walampo to it, and once the walampo is added, then it turns into wagashi. You know, wagashi. So it's time to fry, and I'm about to fry. Is that what I should tell it? Hey! Guys, I'm sorry.
If you are doing it,
oh, sorry. So now, why is it that the oil is not that hot?
But it's hot.
I thought we had So right now, do I have to separate it?
You put it. It will separate.
Hey, I know how to cook. Am I doing it right?
Yes.
So now that it's white, at what point do you?
It's okay.
It's okay.
Yes.
Okay. So what next? Hey, sorry. Then you stir. But the heat from this is not easy, eh?
It's not easy.
Hey.
That's why we don't have to add the fire more.
So how long will it be on the fire for at this point?
Like 15 minutes, I'll turn it.
You will turn it in 15 minutes time. Okay.
For it to fry well.
Right. But what are some of the benefits of eating wagashi? When you eat wagashi, what are some of the benefits?
Hot breast milk gives you in your body. That's what wagashi is.
Those of you who like breast milk, what does breast milk give you? I mean, me, I don't. Hey. Oh, no. What you just tell me?
But
Because
wagashi is also something like it's breast milk that we use to cook it.
but this is not woman breast milk. It is cow breast milk.
But cow breast milk, they use it to provide what you call it more. Plenty things.
So those of you like breast milk, wagashi is the substitute for breast milk for you. Or
yes.
those who like breast milk, any type of breast milk, any type of breast milk.
Yeah, you can enjoy wagashi.
You can enjoy wagashi for it. In case I want to buy the local cheese at this point, where can I get some?
You get some. Those bringing it from the villages. You get some from them.
Okay, so that means that you don't produce it here in Temale?
No, we also bought it from them.
Which of the people that bring it to you?
Fulani people.
The Fulani?
Yes.
So how do you turn it? Is it that you turn it like this or?
Slowly.
It will melt?
You turn it slowly like this.
Slowly,
So that you'll be dividing it one.
Oh, I see.
Or it will melt.
Okay, so if I press it down right now, will it?
Oh,
it will melt.
Yes.
Can I press it?
No, when you press it, it will spoil it.
But at least then everything will become wagashi. The oil and everything will become
But
wagashi.
just do it slowly.
Slowly.
Yes, please.
Hey, wait, is it right?
Yeah, you go.
I should go. Going. Am I doing it right?
Yes, please.
So can I eat it at this stage?
No, you can't eat it.
But is it ready?
No, it's not yet.
So how do you know that it's ready?
When it's cooked, you know.
What will be the color of it?
To change to taste.
Oh, so this is already fried wagashi.
Yes.
The color looks good though. I hope it is good. Alright guys, so I'm about to try it. Can I try?
Yes.
You said this is nicer.
Yes.
Oh, it's hot. Ooh. There's salt in this one. I'm now tasting the salt. Yes. Alright, it's nice though.
It's nice.
Now, it tastes like cheese. It tastes like good cheese. So guys,
The local cheese.
so I'm eating my local cheese. Can I take all?
You can take all.
I can take all.
Yes.
When I eat all, what will happen to me?
Nothing will happen.
My stomach will not be bloated. Alright guys, so this is how wagashi looks when it's ready. Oh. Anyway. Anyway, so guys, that is nice though.
It's nice. But that's why people like it.
So why is it I didn't tell me the first day I came to visit you? So this is how wagashi look when it's ready. It's very nutritious and very tasty. You know some? Kula.
Yeah,
Say wagashi kula.
Wagashi kula.
Aha.
Hey.
Hey. So I'm going to ask more questions about it, but I'm enjoying it already. So in Temale, if I want to get the best wagashi, where should I come?
You come to Fatal Bicycle.
Fatal Bicycle.
Yeah.
How long have you guys been doing this wagashi here?
So 4 years now.
4 years. Like you guys have been into the wagashi aspect.
Yes.
4 years now. Oh, okay.
Even more than that.
Even more than that, sir.
We used to fry wagashi here, not today.
And is there money in it? Do people buy it a lot? Do people know it
buy
here?
it. Yeah.
So
People buy it.
one wagashi will cost you how much?
The full one like this or the one I fry?
No, the one you fry that you've cut.
It's 1 cedi.
1 cedi for one.
For one.
Hey, then you are making money. Oh.
Yeah.
So at the end of the day, how much are you owed to me? How much are you owed to make? Tell me. At least so that I can stop my work and they come and join you.
Come and join me. Okay.
So that I can start some wagashi business. And
it's like the more I just like this. When I bought it 2 million,
yeah.
I will fry it maybe like 2.5 or 2.7.
So if you buy it at 200 Ghana cedis, you sell it and then you get like 70 cedis profit.
70 cedis, I will move oil, money,
Hey.
charcoal,
Hey.
salt.
Hey. Oh, then this one I'm about to die. Hey, it's not easy.
It's okay. Oh.
It's okay, so it's ready.
Yes.
Alright, so our wagashi is ready.
We're yummy.
I hope it won't bend me.
No,
I won't get
bend.
bent. Hey, the way you are touching it with your hand. So how do I remove it? It's okay.
Yes. Put it inside the basket.
Hey. Woo. The heat. So what are some of the things you can eat wagashi with?
Everything. T-Z.
You can put this
everything. Even rice when you go, you can buy wagashi.
So when I buy rice right now, I can put it inside.
Yes.
What about fufu?
Everything.
Hey, fufu and wagashi.
Ah.
What a combination.
Oh.
Your stomach will become big. Oh. You get bloated, or it don't worry you.
Don't worry.
It don't worry you.
Yes. And mostly they buy it for small children.
Small children, when they are crying, they don't want to give them breast milk. So they will say, take the wagashi. It has been amazing doing the wagashi episode. I'm so excited to have seen this wagashi process and to try it myself. I like it. It's a good substitute for breast milk. So for those of you who like breast milk, I'm talking to my fellow guys. It has a lot of nutritious benefits. Carbohydrate, high in protein, fat and oil, you know. So do your best to try the local cheese. This is the local cheese. This is the Temale cheese, or should we call it Temale cheese?
Yes.
Okay. Before I leave, is there anything you want to say to my people who are watching right now? Look at the camera and just tell them anything that you want to tell them.
The only thing we have is when you like special wagashi to buy, you come to Fatal Bicycle. Fatal Bicycle.
Fatal Bicycle.
Just special cheese.
Special.
Yeah.
One in town.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to take the one that you fry. I'm taking everything home.
Okay.
All right, so until I see you in the next episode, it's a bye for now. Bye.